Hey everyone, welcome back to The Country Called Us. I'm Trisha. On today's video, we are going to be making two more liquid coffee creamers. Today's coffee creamers are going to be Irish cream and classic caramel. I'll be right back. All right, guys, show you how let's get started. So our first ingredient is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1 cup of half and half. We're going to pour that into a bowl. And then 3 to 4 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Let me find my tablespoon. All right. So, we're just gonna dump it in. So about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And I think that would be about that right there. And then our next ingredient is, it calls for chocolate syrup, but all I have is chocolate powder. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder. I'm doing teaspoons here, so do 3 teaspoons chocolate powder. And then it's 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder. And I have the espresso powder, so I have instant coffee too, but we're going to use the espresso powder. So it's 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. And then we are going to mix it all together. Now, like I said in the last video when I used the chocolate is, it's hydroponic, so it doesn't want to adhere to the liquid. But when you shake it up and, you know, in your container, it'll all combine. And there you have it, guys. That's going to be our Irish cream liquid coffee creamer. And next we're going to do caramel. So what this calls for is, it calls for 1 cup of half and half, and it also calls for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I already have that measured out here. So we're going to put that in a bowl. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. So again, we're just going to It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and maybe a little more. It calls for 2 to 3 tablespoons of caramel sauce, but what I have here is I have caramel syrup. So we're going to use that. I should have opened it before I started the video. Oh, sorry guys, that was my air fryer. I'm in the middle of making dinner as well. So this is 3 to 4 tablespoons of caramel sauce. So roughly about the same amount we'll put in there. So that's about, more or less, whatever it is to your liking with any of these recipes. If you want it to be more caramel, put more in it. If you want it to be more, less, put less in it. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there we go. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And then after it's all mixed up, I'll show you guys what I put them in. I actually saved some containers for, from liquid creamer that I bought at the store. They work perfectly for this. So you get it all mixed up, and then we'll put it in the containers, and I'll be back with the results. Like I said, I put them in containers that I saved from liquid creamer that I had bought. This is our caramel, and this is our Irish cream. I didn't get the label taken off of it, but like I said, make sure you guys shake them really well, and before you use them, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee, and I will let you know how it turns out.
I don't think it's working.
You don't think it's working? No.
Numbers are counting. That means it's working?
That means it's working.
Oh, okay. So what are we doing?
All right, guys. So I made 2 cups of coffee with what I made. Again, I made the Irish cream, and I made the caramel, just like classic caramel. I made Jeff try the caramel. I mean, I tried the caramel. It's actually very good. And I did the Irish cream.
What's Irish cream taste like? Nut, like poop?
No.
Let me see. I don't.
Let me try Irish cream.
That one's a little hotter. Try it.
Careful, it's hot.
Hot.
Let me try. What's this one you say?
Caramel. Classic caramel.
Caramel? Not peanut butter caramel or...
Nope. Like I said,
caramel or...
I was supposed to use caramel sauce, but I used, again, guys, I used caramel liquid, caramel syrup. I mean, to me, that's basically almost the same thing.
Yeah, we got that right at Walmart, didn't we?
No, we got this at Sam's Club.
Sam's Club. The smaller ones are Walmart.
Yeah, the smaller one. This is a bigger bottle. This is a 25-ounce bottle.
Can I smell?
It just smells like caramel.
It's like caramel.
That smells very good.
Yeah,
it does.
That is very good.
Turned out, they turned out very, very good.
Tastes like you ate one of them old school caramels.
Yes. Now, if you guys wanted it a little bit sweeter, you can add sugar to your coffee. It's not
Or add a
gonna,
little more caramel syrup.
yeah, it's not going to change the flavor of it.
I'm still my coffee. We got work to do.
Again, like I said,
Bye.
Bye, I have to go to school.
again, like I said, if you
I'll be drinking a lot of coffee now.
right, depending on how sweet you want it or how much flavor you want in it, you can add, more to it. If you don't want as much, you don't have to add as much. Like I said, you can add sugar to it if you want to make it, a little bit sweeter. You don't have to add the sugar. I mean, it tastes, like I said, it tastes amazing without it. But yeah, that is how you make liquid coffee creamers, caramel and Irish cream. Let me know if you guys try it, if you like it. You know, if you want me to try another one. I also did a video on, I did peanut butter, and I can't remember the other one that I did. But I did a video on 2 other ones. Go ahead and check them out. Again, if you guys try it, let us know how you like it. If you like it, if you don't like it, I mean, you know, your opinions matter. So, you know, let us know, you know, how you liked it. And with that, I'm going to get out of here and go upload this so you guys can, so you guys can see it. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Trisha from The Country Called Us. Have a nice night.